Hi. Do I usually? No, I don't say hi.
You don't say hi.
It's been a while.
We don't greet people. We just
already
welcome
here.
them.
Yes, welcome.
Let's get going.
Bye.
If you want to say hi and bye, we just need to talk about it, Amy.
Just getting into it today. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative again.
Again and again and again.
Always creative.
So today we are going to craft our box 704.
Yep.
We have a piece of pallet wood here that we are going to take and turn into a very fun Patriotic Fringe flag.
This grungy, just kind of burly, nail hole ridden, crazy, cracked. Love it.
Poor thing.
No, it's amazing.
Yeah, normally we like to sand that pallet wood
Yes, we do.
completely down, smooth, clean, but not today.
It's gonna be down and dirty.
Yes.
And that's the cool thing too about these kits, that you kind of never know which piece you're gonna get, but I guarantee it's gonna be a cool piece.
Absolutely.
So every one of them is unique in that way.
Yeah, so it's like, what are you gonna get?
You never know.
You never know. So
Trust us.
we're going to start by prepping a little bit for this. We've got some fabric to cut, and I'll get the wood cut, and we will see you back in a minute to craft with us.
Let's get going.
Are you ready for this?
I think so. I'm already sweating.
There you go.
I'm nervous about it. Are we doing positive or negative?
We're doing
Negative. No, we're doing positive. No,
Well, it's according to how you look at it.
we're doing negative.
Yeah, we're taking away the outside. Negative.
There we go. Oh no. Oh no. Okay,
close.
so it was semi-dramatical.
Yeah. Told you that was gonna be hard.
Thank you.
You want your thumb there?
Oh. I do not want my thumb there. This kind of scrunches a little bit when you cut it, but very, very,
Ooh, and those will have weight to
very
them.
nice. Yes, they will hang.
Leather. Genuine fake leather.
I have another song.
Genuine?
No,
Okay.
about hanging.
Hanging?
Do your strings hang low? Can you swing them to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your strings hang low?
Very good.
Like how I interpreted that?
Mm-hmm.
I got that song from you.
I know. I didn't say strings though.
I know that you didn't. I don't even know what the real song is supposed to say.
Ears hang low.
Ears, that's right.
Ears. Why would your ears
I
hang
don't
low?
know.
Wobble to and fro.
Makes much more sense the way you always sing it.
Emily, if you're ever watching one of our videos,
That's That's an Emily.
You know what I'm talking about.
I remember.
Cool. This is where we're just gonna eyeball it.
Okay. With our eyeballs.
You know what you can do is just maybe tear off a little part.
Excellent.
You can seal the edges in with your varnish if you want, but you don't have to.
Right.
Because it's gonna be, we're going
Whimsy. All right. Blue.
cobalt hue.
Hue.
I thought it was cobalt blue, but no, it's cobalt hue.
It's a cobalt hue.
Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, don't do this a whole lot because these are rough sanded, so you're gonna get splinters all on your fingers.
Don't want that.
Don't do that.
Okay, that's a nice bright blue.
Yeah, let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna go
All right.
from, you're gonna go from the edge.
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know either, I'm starting with the star. I did it.
And like floofing out.
Maybe, I don't know. Let's just see what happens. It's a new, ooh, see?
See?
You're doing a really good job.
Look at that. I touched her.
Get away.
I'm sorry.
Get out of there. Now, neither of us, at least I don't think so far, has decided to completely paint it solid. But if you want to, and then distress it with the sandpaper, you can do that too.
I have no idea where I'm going with this.
Me either, that's fun though.
But I think I want it a little more than that. It's gonna end up looking exactly the same again, aren't they?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Sides, I guess.
Might need a little more
Cobalt blue.
hue.
Cobalt hue.
Cobalt hue, please.
Went to school with a hue.
You did?
I mean, not like very long. Elementary school.
Oh. It's familiar to me, but
I wonder where hue went.
Hue, if you're out there, you get a free craft kit.
Yes. You have to be that hue though. Not just any hue. The right hue.
Right. Like this perfectly perfect hue of blue. Are you going back? Or we're just gonna let it have a back? Let's let it have a back.
Okay.
I mean, we're really gonna have to let go of that.
Yes, fine.
Okay, are you done?
I think so.
I think I'm done. Done.
Do you think I'm done?
Yes.
Okay, I think you're done.
Okay.
My personality really wants to like count these out evenly.
I know.
Like do
Yeah.
white, red, white, red, white, red.
I'm with you. I
But I don't know if that's exactly the
don't think I'm gonna
way
do
to go
that.
here.
I'm just gonna start. But you're not done organizing.
Sorry. Let's just go for it.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with the red.
Oh.
See, I'm thinking though, sometimes I want a little piece to be kind of in front. So I think I might start with some little pieces. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna do
Exactly what I'm doing.
Yes.
This
This
would go
one.
red.
All right.
I mean, there's no wrong answer here.
No. I even have one more.
Yeah, I just did it somewhere where it feels thin.
And right here.
Okay,
Center.
perfect. This is going to be fun to flip over.
Yeah. Now, should we put the twine on it before
Let's
we
put the
flip it?
twine on it. I agree.
Where is it? This one's on?
Yep.
It might be helpful to mess up those ends a little bit so you really get
Flat.
a good bit of it glued down.
I guess you could even go back on top a little bit if you wanted to. That's on there good.
Now.
This is exciting.
All right, last thing to do. Oh,
Oh, here. Got all mine. Did it?
all right, we're gonna flip it.
Flip it. Ooh.
Oh,
These are fun.
That is so cool. And I love how the fabric, I thought we might have to, try to fray it a little bit.
Yeah.
And it does it on its own.
It does it on its own, but some of them don't. It's a nice mix.
All right.
Very good.
Time
Ready?
to remove it.
Ah,
that's so awesome.
I like them both.
I do too.
That's a nice blue. High five.
Good job.
Sweet, 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 sweet. Love
Hang it on the
it.
door.
Yay.
And we're back.
We're back and we're done.
Yay. Now, we're going to show you one because they're
They're just big.
yeah,
So-
and they were practically identical.
Right.
Surprise, surprise. But
Shocker.
I think this turned out really well.
It's very punchy, so I think the choice of this blue is perfect.
Yeah,
I love
and
it.
I've had this hanging on my front door for about a week now.
Yep.
You can tell that the fabric has frayed a little bit in the wind, but I think it just makes it look cuter.
We should talk about just a couple of little things. A couple of the faux leather pieces may or may not have fallen off with the hot glue. These are commercial grade fabrics, so they have a finish on them, and I think it speaks very well for the finish. Not even hot glue sticks. So while we did not do this as we were crafting together, we are probably going to include, actually we will include, these 6,000. That should make those stay on.
Yeah, so just when you're adding your leather pieces, just put a little dot of this with the hot glue and that should take care of the issue.
do the trick. Everything else is good though. These are super
Yeah.
cute. They're perfectly sized for a front door. Love them.
Well, thanks for stopping by this week. We hope you enjoyed crafting this patriotic fringe flag with us.
Our patriotic month of July.
Absolutely.
Love
All
it.
month.
All month long.
See you next week for more.
That's right. Come back. Subscribe.
See you next time.
See you next time.